In this video, I will show you how to update your Pinduoduo shopping app to a latest version without any stress. Let me show you how. Open up your Pinduoduo shopping app. Having opened up your Pinduoduo shopping app, whether you are using the Pinduoduo Chinese version or the global version, just follow along the step by step and see how to update your Pinduoduo shopping app. Just like what you see right here. This one here is asking for update, just like so. So how can we simply update? In some cases, your update might not pump up right here, just like what you see on the screen right here. Your update might be hidden, or in some cases, when you see something like this, maybe you mistakenly click on here to cancel this update. It does not affect your app, but the problem there is that you are not going to have access to some of the new features and new fashions as far as the new version of this Pinduoduo shopping app is concerned. So in this video, I'll walk you through step by step on how to safely update your Pinduoduo shopping app to a latest version. Let me show you how. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taoba, JD.com, Shenyun, any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, consider to reach out to me on my WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on your profile icon. So this particular Pinduoduo account here is Chinese version, okay? That is why you see WeChat right here. In some cases, if you are using foreign version or global version of Pinduoduo, you are going to see either Google account or Facebook from the top right here. So whichever one you are using, just follow along and see how you can simply update. The next step you need to do is to look for this setting icon. It can be anywhere in your Pinduoduo app, but I have my own right here. So just look for this icon on your profile. And it's going to take you right here. Simply scroll down all the way down and click on this one right here. And it's going to take you right here. So this is the latest version right here. Click on here. And you can see we have the pump up again right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here to update. So go ahead and click on download and install update. So you can see the update is underway, just like what you see right here. Just make sure that everything runs completely. %, and you are done. After a successful update, for your security, your phone currently is not allowed to install or no app from this source. You can change the settings. Go ahead and click on this, allow, then click on update. Successfully app install. Click on open. And you are back and fresh with a new fashion, different new features of Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. You can click on here now, and then you are back to your profile. Everything look good. It's that simple. The more you scroll down, the more new products and things will be loaded up. So you can see now all my app right here has been fully upgraded and everything has changed to English language right here. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how to source and ship products from China using Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.